got my new Zippo hand warmer. 7 degrees out here, Fairbanks, Alaska. I'm in my backyard. And just wanted to show you this. Sweet! Yeah, I'm going to be taking this out later today and giving it a test ride. So let's give it a try. Okay guys, so the new Zippo hand warmer comes with a measuring cup, so you can measure out the amount of time that you want it to burn, and it comes with a nice fleece bag carrying case. There's the instructions, and here's the actual hand warmer. Been waiting for this for a while. Nice. See, when this gets going, you just put it in here, and it's supposed to be 10 times hotter than any chemical hand warmer, you know, the disposable kind. So basically you light that. I'm going to get some fluid here and we'll try it out. But I just wanted to give you a preview of what that looks like. And I know there's some guys out there that are going out in the winter time. I was going to say, Dan, Deep Digger Dan, I know you were wanting one of these, so if you're having problems getting one, let me know. I paid $11 for this, and it burns for 12 hours. So let me know, Dan, I can get you one. They come in chrome, black, and camo. Alright guys, that's it until I get some fluid and try it out. Okay guys, I got my new Zippo hand warmer. And man, it's nice and warm without the little fleece bag. So what I'm going to do is I've made slots in the back of my heated metal detecting cover, and I've got it fixed to where that fits right into the back of it there. And let's go out and try this out and see how well it works.